A government land surveyor plays a crucial role in ensuring accurate and reliable information regarding land boundaries and property ownership. In Lucknow, the capital city of Uttar Pradesh in India, individuals and organizations seeking to establish legal rights over land often rely on the expertise of government land surveyors. These professionals are responsible for conducting surveys, measurements, and assessments to determine the exact boundaries of a piece of land. By using advanced equipment and techniques, they accurately measure and map the land, creating detailed reports and records that are essential for legal purposes. One company that provides top-notch land surveying services in Lucknow is Scon Design India Private Limited. With their team of skilled and experienced surveyors, they offer comprehensive land surveying solutions for both private and government clients. Scon Design India Private Ltd understands the importance of precise land measurements in various sectors such as real estate, infrastructure development, and urban planning. They utilize state-of-the-art technology and equipment to ensure accurate results and deliver high-quality surveys that meet the specific needs of their clients. The services provided by Scon Design India Private Ltd go beyond traditional land surveys. They also offer services such as topographic surveys, boundary surveys, GPS surveys, and cadastral surveys. These additional services provide clients with a complete understanding of the terrain, boundaries, and legal aspects of a particular piece of land. Whether it is for constructing a new building, establishing property boundaries, or resolving land disputes, Scon Design India Private Ltd offers reliable and precise surveying solutions. Government land surveyors in Lucknow, such as those employed by Scon Design India Private Ltd, are highly knowledgeable about the local laws and regulations pertaining to land ownership and boundaries. Scon Design India Private Limited is a leading architectural and engineering consultancy firm based in Lucknow. With a strong reputation for delivering high-quality and innovative solutions, the company has established itself as a trusted name in the industry. One of the key services provided by Scon Design India Private Limited is the expertise of their government land surveyors. In Lucknow, the role of a government land surveyor is of utmost importance. These professionals are responsible for accurately mapping and measuring land properties, ensuring that all boundaries and dimensions are correctly recorded. Scon Design India Private Limited's team of government land surveyors are highly skilled and experienced, equipped with the latest technology and tools to carry out their tasks efficiently. The government land surveyors at Scon Design India Private Limited play a crucial role in various projects, including urban planning, infrastructure development, and property assessment. Their expertise is essential in determining land boundaries, resolving boundary disputes, and providing accurate data for land